Picsman AI is a revolutionary software that just hit the market, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're on the hunt for cutting-edge AI that can make a real difference in your workflow, you're in the right place. I'll be giving you the lowdown on what makes Picsman AI stand out, and trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned until the end. There's something special I'll be revealing. First off, Picsman AI is a new AI tool designed to streamline image generation and editing, and it's definitely one of the most impressive options to hit the scene recently. If you've ever used AI to create visuals, you know that quality can vary, but with Picsman, we're talking about precision and versatility that will leave you impressed. Whether you need high-quality visuals for social media posts, ads, or even blog graphics, this AI will meet those needs with ease. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complex AI tools, Picsman offers a refreshing, simple design that lets you get started without a steep learning curve. It's intuitive enough for beginners, but has enough depth for those who are experienced in AI-based design. You'll feel confident navigating through it from the get-go. Now, let's talk about the results. One of the standout features of Picsman AI is its ability to generate detailed, realistic images from simple text prompts. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just stop at images. The AI is capable of generating multiple formats for different platforms, making it a one-stop shop for your content creation needs. Whether it's for a blog, social media, or ads, it's got you covered. The customization options with Picsman AI are another reason it's making waves. You're not just getting a generic image. You have full control over the style, tone, and even composition of the visuals. From adjusting the lighting to fine-tuning colors, it gives you the ability to tweak and refine until it's perfect. What sets Picsman AI apart from other image-generating tools is its speed. You're not waiting around for hours for a result. It processes requests quickly, which is a game changer when you're working on tight deadlines or handling multiple projects at once. Additionally, the software's scalability is something worth mentioning. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Picsman AI adapts to your needs. For businesses, this means you can rely on it for high-volume content creation without worrying about capacity limits. And if you're concerned about cost, you can try Picsman AI completely for free through the first link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, no hidden fees, just a risk-free trial to see if it's the right fit for you. But here's the thing, Picsman isn't just about making images, it's about making your entire content creation process more efficient. By integrating AI with your design workflow, you'll be able to produce high-quality content at scale, which ultimately saves you time and resources. Whether you're running digital marketing campaigns or just need better visuals for your personal projects, this AI gives you the edge. As a digital marketer who's tried countless AI tools, I can confidently say that Picsman AI is up there with the best of them. In fact, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've made sure to list my recommended picks in the description below. So after you've given Picsman AI a try, don't forget to check those out. In summary, Picsman AI brings a fresh level of creativity and efficiency to the table, offering everything from easy-to-use interfaces to high-quality, customizable visuals at lightning speed. If you're looking for an AI that can elevate your content game, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Try it for free now and see the difference for yourself.